What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. This is on Amazon. I'm going to keep pounding this in your head. I want you to pick up what I am laying down, okay? If that makes sense, I'm going to keep continuing to make these videos, and I'm going to do these trade recaps, and I'm going to emphasize over and over and over these setups. So the more you see them, the more you get comfortable with them. This is for day traders. This is for scalpers. Can this turn into a swing trade? Of course, if the market decides to get super strong, the market decides to get super weak, you could hold a runner overnight, 1, 2, 3 days. However, this is going to require you to use the 20 period moving average, the simple moving average, also the 5-minute time frame. This is Amazon. Biggest thing that I'm looking for here, we are looking for one thing when it comes to this setup. Okay, now there's a million different strategies, there's a million different ways to play. There's trading breakouts, there's trading bounces, there's trading pivots, there's trading, pre-market highs, pre-market lows, there's, candle over candle scalping, there's MACD RSI, there's VWAP, there's so many different indicators out there, so many different strategies out there. Now, here's the problem. When you start trying to play this strategy and that strategy and that strategy and this strategy and then another strategy, your results are going to be all over the place. Because let's say 2 out of 3 times you won trading breakouts, and then 3 out of 3 times you lost playing bounces. And then, 1 out of 2 times you won using the MACD and the RSI indicators. Okay. You're not going to really know what works. You are not going to have consistent profits. You are not going to know what your emotions are telling you to do, and that is what you're doing wrong. You will never know what you are doing wrong if every single time you take a trade, you are taking a different strategy. If every time you take a trade, it's for a different reason, you will have no fucking idea what it means when you're losing, other than the fact that you're always losing. You might have 1, 2, 3 small wins, 1 large win, 3 wins, 4 wins in a row, 1 loss wipes out all those profits. Okay. That's the way it's going to go. That's the way it's going to be until you start to get consistent, until you start to get disciplined. This is the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame, Amazon. I've already said that. I'm going to say it again. Pick up what I'm laying down. What are we looking for on this strategy? We are looking for the stock to be trading underneath the 20 period moving average. Okay. We need the price action underneath the 20 period moving average. Okay. What are we looking for? We are looking for a reclaim. Okay. A close over the 20 period moving average. We get it here around 715, 720. That's step 1, guys. Step 2, we are looking for a confirmation of either the closing candle or the top wick. As soon as we get confirmation, we are going to enter into this bar. Okay. Depending on what type of scalper you are or what type of day trader you are, you could essentially, if you're somebody who plays with large enough size, you could get in here at 35.65 and you would be selling out at 35.70, 35.71, 35.72. Okay, I'm out. Because if we look at it, from getting in here at the entry of 35.65, even if we allow, let's say, $1 slippage, we get in at 35.66. Okay, 35.67. 35.68, that's 2 points. 35.69, 35.70. Guys, you're playing 5, 10, 20 contracts of Amazon. That's all the move that you need. Plain and simple. Okay. So I'm going to talk to people with a little bit smaller accounts. Maybe you're playing only one contract. Maybe you're playing a little bit out of the money, not so close to in the money. Let's say if the current stock price here is 35.65, and let's say you're playing something like 35.70s, 35.80s, you're going to need it to run a little bit more. You're going to have to allow a little bit more risk. You need the trade to work out a little bit more. So what you're going to do here is same entry. You're going to get in on this candle. You're going to have to stomach this pullback. Okay. You're going to have to stomach this pullback. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I have no other way to say it. You are going to have to stomach this pullback. Okay. This pullback can put your contracts down $400 or $500. If you take one out of the money contract, you could be down $200, $300, $400, $500. Okay. You have to trust your process. You have to stick to the same trade. You have to stick to the same plan. You have to tell yourself, if this red candle does come down and close below the 20-period moving average, I don't care if I lost $100 or $1,000. I need to exit this fucking position. Because like I said, and I'm going to keep saying, this can come down, trade sideways, and come down farther. This $1, $2, $3, $4, $500 loss, depending on your size, can turn into $3, $7, $9, $12, $1,500 loss. We do not want that. We live to trade another day. Anyways, going along with the video, you're going to have to stomach this pullback. That's completely fine. You know that our stop loss is going to be any close below the 20-period moving average. This candle does pull back, consolidate sideways for 5, 10, 15 minutes. We get this nice pop up higher over this wick. We do pull back once more. Another pullback here that you're going to have to stomach. Now, that's not to say that on this pop, you did not take profits up here close to 35.78. Okay? Your contract should be in the money. If you're trading stocks, you will be in the money here. Okay, we do get this pullback. However, we do not close below the 20-period moving average. Control your emotions, guys. Trust your system. Okay, even if this candle was to pop up here, let's say you were up, I'm just using round numbers here. Let's say you were up $300, $400 here, comes back down. Now you're sitting at minus $600 or minus $300 right here. Guys, you can't just sell here. You can't. Okay. I mean, you can't just get in on this candle, let it pop, come back down and sell here. You can't do that. You can't let it pop, pull back down and sell here. We can't get shaken out. Now, again, this is going to get repetitive. If we did do this, yes, we have to sell. Okay. We get in, is a little flag here. You could add to your position right in this area. We do get this big pop. I would be looking to sell out 1, 2, 3 pushes higher. That is what I normally look for. However, everybody is different. We could have added here. We do consolidate sideways. We could have added here. Long wick, we should be taking profits here. However, we are not robots, not computers. If this did fake you out here and we do come down red candle close, we never pass previous highs. Start looking to take profits here. If you didn't and you're stubborn, take profits here. If you're still stubborn, should be taking profits here, guys. And goddamn, if you're that stubborn, you got to be taking profits here. First close under the 20-period moving average. This price is, the stock closed at 35.89. Your entry was 35.64, 35.66, somewhere in that area. Guys, that's 22 points worth of upside on Amazon. That took from around 725 to 920, just a little shy of 2 hours, guys. You could have made fantastic gains. Eliminate the noise, eliminate social media, eliminate what the news is saying, eliminate the headlines. Just trade the chart in front of you. Just trade the price action that is in front of you. However, stick to your rules, stay disciplined, and follow your trading plan. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Join the Discord that's down in the link description box below. There's a link down there, as well as my website, evolutiontraders.com. I'm trying to get to 500, 600 subscribers before the end of the year. If you did watch this video and you are listening right now, please do me a favor, subscribe, comment, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in the next video.